may have noticed that when the pilot operates the controls, he doesn't have to make any enormous efforts.
Despite the fact that in turbulent conditions or at great speeds, there's quite a force acting on those surfaces. Any part of that control surface which is ahead of the hinge lines will reduce the effort required on the stick by providing aerodynamic balancing. Horn balancing like this will help by using the air acting on the section ahead of the hinge to move the control areas. Inset hinges will help in the same way.
Balancing must be carried out very carefully. The pilot must never lose the feel from his control column.
Another way of providing such assistance is by using balance tabs. Small flaps hinged to the control surface and giving assistance in moving it. There are trimming tabs, operated by the pilot independently of the main controls. They're often used to move the elevators for adjusting tailplane lift force to trim the aircraft for changes in speed or position. Balance tabs are linked to the control movement. They automatically move in the opposite direction to that of the control, assisting the pilot in moving the control surface as the horn balance did. On high-speed aircraft, spring tabs are used. At high speeds, the forces on control surfaces are large and the pilot needs assistance. The spring registers his effort and helps him in moving the tab. At low speeds, he needs no assistance and moves the control directly. On large aircraft like the Britannia, with servo tabs, the pilot's control column is connected directly onto the tab, not to the control surface, which is only moved when there's sufficient airspeed to move the tab. This speed is lower than for takeoff.